Hey everybody, I just wanted to shoot a quick video and kind of show you guys what I've been doing. I took out the 60% split seat in the background, or in the back, and what I did was I wanted a full-size spare. This is an all-wheel drive. I hate having a spare on the hitch here because I'm going to have a swing-out toolbox for this that I'm going to store stuff in, and I was wondering how I could use the toolbox and the cargo carrier, which the toolbox will be mounted to put a spare in. I did see some things for newer vans that allowed you to cut out all this. Don't really want to get into that depth of it. So I started thinking, and I'm like, what could I do to store a full-size spare? You know, you could go on the roof, but on the roof I want my solar panels up there. So I ended up cutting out a little bit. I'm like, I wonder if I could lay this flat. I wonder if it'll fit. So what I did was I took out, there's some insulation on the back of this to give me just a little bit more room. And then these two studs here, I don't want those things puncturing a tire or whatever. So I just put a nut as tacked as a spacer, and I snugged them up. They're hand tight, not extremely tight or anything like that. And this tire fits in there perfect. Give me 1 second and I'll show you.